Chef Heather is back. Okay, I don't have my chef coat or my chef hat. I really think that children hid it somewhere because they do not want me cooking anymore. Not that I really blame them, but the thing they do like me to make for them is my famous pineapple drink. Now, if you've been watching Real Housewives of Orange County, you may have seen me make one of these drinks, an adult version, on the show. I got hundreds and hundreds of messages. What's in the pineapple? How do you make that? What's going on? So I am gonna show you both versions. Here's what you're gonna need. A pineapple, obviously. You're gonna need a sharp knife, and you're gonna need a pineapple corer. This is the one that I use. It's about $14 on Amazon. There's a link below. You can find cheaper ones, but I just love this one. It had great reviews and I've had it forever. So this is the one that I like, plus some fun straws and umbrellas and, you know, just pretty little accoutrement to add to your pineapple. You'll see as we go along. So first you have to cut off the top of your pineapple. It seems so sad to get rid of its beautiful crown, but we really don't need that part. It smells heavenly. I wish we had smell-o-vision. So good. All right, so we have this beautiful, ripe, juicy pineapple we've cut off the top. Now, you can see where the core is there. So that's where you're gonna wanna put that circle, right where the core is. And this really takes no skill at all. Trust me, if I can do it, anyone can do it. And then you just twist and twist and twist. Now, here's something really important. You kind of have to feel how deep you're getting with the pineapple, because if you go too far, this is a problem. This is not going to hold the pineapple drink in the pineapple. Don't go too far, that's a problem. But we still have some beautiful pineapple there. You release it and save our beautiful pineapple. Okay, take two. Slice off the top of your pineapple, top, toss it, take our core, line it up. And this time, we are not going to go too far. Are you worried? Don't be worried. Pull that gorgeous pineapple out, and this is how you release it. There's just a really easy button on the side, and you jump it out. Perfect. Now you can see my cored out pineapple. Now, I've watched a few of you try to replicate the drink, and you left the core in. We do not want to leave the core in. Unfortunately, there's not a great way to get the core out. I feel like you need almost like a cigar cutter to get this baby out, but I just use a knife and I get out as much as I can, because if you leave the core in, you're taking up a lot of volume. Okay, here we go. Core is out. It's nice and juicy in there. This is really important. Some people might want to make the pineapples in advance, but then they're going to dry out. What I love about this pineapple drink is when it's super, super juicy. Okay, I'm going to do the adult version first. So we're going to make the adult version first. Now, if you want, you could use vodka, you could use gin, you could use absolutely anything you want, but this is my pineapple, so of course we're using the champs. I love giving this as a hostess gift, a bottle of champagne, a couple of pineapples, and the core. Love that sound. It's a great gift and it's so fun. Now, I love crunchy ice. You can use whatever ice you like, but this is my favorite. So I like to fill my pineapple with crunchy ice. Then we pour the champs. Oh, this looks so good. Is it 5 o'clock yet? Does it matter? Okay, lots of champs in there. That all looks beautiful. And now it's about the decor. So you can put a beautiful little umbrella. We definitely need a straw. I've got these cute little pineapple toothpicks, some fun little sparkly things. I like to decorate it. Oh, you know what also is great? A little fresh mint from my garden. Love that. And to really make it more festive and delicious, how about a little fruit kebab? And there you go. I mean, this, And this is the best part. You gotta squeeze it. You gotta squeeze the pineapple and it infuses whatever you're drinking with that delicious pineapple flavor. So delicious, so fun, so easy to do. I'm gonna set this one to the side and let's do the kids version. Okay, now we have our cored out pineapple. We're gonna put a little bit of ice in there. It's not really necessary because we're gonna use sherbet or ice cream, whatever you prefer. This is how I like to do it. I've got rainbow sherbet. This is so from when I was growing up. Oh my God, love rainbow sherbet. Nice big scoop of rainbow sherbet and some lemon lime soda of your choice. By the way, I've tried this with a root beer float before. It's disgusting. Don't do that. All right, there we go. Oh my gosh, this is so delicious. And then, oh, I forgot the spoons. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. All right, I've got a spoon. I've got a straw. I've got an umbrella. Let's make it all fancy for the kids. They love this when their friends come over and they're out in the pool. Oh my gosh, they just go crazy for this stuff. Yeah, this is gonna be a super jazzed out one. Okay, there we go. Let's add a little fruit so it's a little bit healthy. And there you go. Et voila, for the kids. And there you go. How easy was that? So for me, I love my pineapple with champagne and some crunchy ice and a little fruit kebab and all these little fun accessories. And for the kids, I do the lemon lime soda and the sherbet. It is a crowd pleaser. They love it. Plus, if you're looking for a fabulous hostess gift, I mean, you cannot beat this. Bring them liqueur, bottle of champs, a fresh pineapple, and you are gonna have one happy hostess. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel below. Cheers.